Hi, this is Claire Dillon, and in this episode, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to Google Calendar, create an event, and invite others to that event or meeting. So please join me in this video, which is about 4.5 minutes long, and at the end, you will be a master of Google Calendar. To access Google Calendar, left-click the Google Apps icon in the top right of your screen and select Calendar. This is recognizable by the blue calendar page with the number 31. Once you are in the Google Calendar, you can create a new event by clicking on the red circle with the white plus sign in the bottom right of your screen. This window allows you to create your event, select your location, date and time, control if this is a repeating event, and determine what calendar you would like the event posted to. You can also select how this will show up on your calendar, and you can also add attachments to the event. If this is an event that you would like to invite others to, you can do this here. Let me show you how to do this. First of all, I'm going to create a budget meeting with my principal, Ginny Dossis. The title of my event will be Budget Meeting. It's going to occur on Wednesdays at 1 o'clock, and I'm going to budget an hour. I would like this to repeat every 2 weeks, so I'm going to create a custom repeat. In the title box, I'm going to type in Budget Meeting. The first Wednesday in December is going to be December 5th. The meeting will start at 1 o'clock and end at 2 o'clock. This is not going to be an all-day event, so I'm not going to check the box. However, I would like this event to repeat until the end of school, so I'm going to select Custom. I want this to repeat every other week, and I would like this to end on June 12th. The location will be in the main conference room, and I would like to be notified of the meeting 10 minutes before so that I am not late. I'm going to select this to appear on my personal calendar, and I've chosen this to appear in the color purple. However, if I have multiple calendars, I can use the drop-down to select which calendar this should appear on. I'm going to indicate that I am busy during this time rather than free so that no one else schedules a meeting. I would like to give Ms. Dossis my proposed budget so that she can review this before our meeting. Here I can add my budget as an attachment as well as give her any additional information about the meeting. The location is going to be in the main conference room. I'm going to be notified 10 minutes before the meeting. This will appear on my personal calendar. However, if I'd like to put it on another calendar, all I need to do is select the drop-down meeting. I can also change the color that this will appear in. I'm going to be busy during this time, but I'm going to go ahead and add my budget as an attachment. If I select the paperclip, I can select budget. I can also give a description. What I'd like to let her know is that this is my proposed budget. Now what I'd like to do is invite Ms. Dossis to the meeting. Under the guest section, I can go ahead and I can type in her email. I can also allow her to modify the event, invite others, or see the guest list. At this time, I'm just going to let her invite others and see the guest list. I'm going to go ahead and save this event. I get a pop-up button asking me if I would like to send invitation emails to the Google Calendar guests. At this time, I'm going to hold off on sending her the invitation. We can now navigate to December and notice that in December 5th, I have a 1 o'clock budget meeting on my calendar. If I select the event, I determine that I can actually go in and edit the meeting and also get the specific details of my meeting, where the location is, the time, how often we're going to meet, and who the guests are, as well as any attachments and any notes that I've shared for the event. I can also delete the event, email my guests, and add additional calendars for which I'd like this event to appear. So this is how you navigate to Google Calendar, create an event, and invite others to your event.